What's up, guys? We're starting today off by going to pick up Drew because all his vehicles are still broken. So we're gonna head up to Watertown, grab his stank ass, and then we're gonna head down to the shop because today is a big freaking day. And I'm excited. So, see you soon, Randall.
Who's that? Who's here? Go see who's here. Who's that?
What's up, Toker? Oh, sorry, Melissa.
Dumps of flour.
Dumps of flour. I'm worth it. Come here, pretty boy. Come on. Yeah. He ain't getting up here.
Come on. He's got a runner board. He's got it. Go. You got it.
The real reason why I picked up Randall.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? So, man, we're hooking up the trailer.
Another day in the life.
Another day in the life.
Ready? Yo, Dolo.
Yeah, you got
ready?
This? Oh, yeah, good luck. Let's just scrutty ass up. For your toe! Come on! So close.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Beautiful. It's B-all on his lunch break. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Good timing. How are you?
Not too bad. Try this.
Thank you. Appreciate that. I didn't say we were doing it today.
Well, we might need this.
Nice. We're both sick, huh?
Oh, it sucks.
Alright, guys. Trailer is actually hooked up, which means something's going down.
That means
Yeah, I think it's time to explain to the viewers what's happened.
new daily.
Okay, let's start.
Very
with that.
hype.
We got a lot to talk about. So, boom, boom, boom. By the title of the video, you could, and probably, everything that's happened. What's up, hot dog guy?
Hot dog guy.
We're picking up a new car today. Now, today is an awesome day. We were actually picking up my potential new daily. Now, a lot of you guys have probably already commented by now, like some crazy shit, but what's happening is I put the Lexus together as a daily, and as you guys know, I haven't registered it yet. And that's because I got a lead on this vehicle from a family friend, and I didn't want to register the Lexus and then get this and then switch to it because registering the Lexus is gonna cost like $600. So I'm not gonna waste $600 if I don't, you know. Awesome deal. It's a newer car. It's low miles. It's gorgeous. Some of you guys might not like it, but a lot of you will be really happy for me because it's a way nicer car. The Lexus is sick. I love IS's, but still a project car, and I don't want a project car as a daily. Randy, you know that one. So I would love to build an IS one day. Now it's not the time. So we got the IS right, and I think we're gonna put it up for sale, make some good money on it because we don't have that much into it. Thank you, Tucker. And put the money into the shop, into the projects, and have some fun with it. But in the meantime, we're on our way to go pick up the potential new daily that you're gonna see in a few, and hold the comments till we go over the car because it's gonna be a fire. Oh, it's Tucker panting. I was like, what the fuck? It's gonna be, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm rambling on, but I'm excited. You're gonna find out why in just a few. You're pumped for me, right?
New bitchin' daily on the way.
You see me.
Oh, I see you.
Perfect. You excited, Tuck? Yeah, me too. All right, we're here, but I hate shoving the camera in people's face. That does, you know, strangers, I guess. So we're gonna skip to it being on the trailer. See you soon. And here we go, guys. We have a Mark 6 GTI. Some of you guys might be really excited. Some of you guys may be really disappointed, but we'll talk about it a little bit more in a few. Just get out of the rain, get back to the shop, and pull it off the trailer. Sound good, Toker? Yeah. Let's go get lunch too. So fucking all right, so decided to stop at my buddy Alex's shop before we even like look at the damn thing at my shop, because he is the go-to Volkswagen guy. He's something else. So we haven't tried to jump it or anything yet, so I figured this would be the perfect place to do it.
Is the battery completely dead, or?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Just try it out. They said they tried to jump it a couple, I didn't explain it yet. So it's a DSG, which means it's an automatic tranny, and they say it's been stuck in first once it warms up, and then they parked it for like 9 months, and they said they tried to jump in and start. So we're gonna try and mess with it right now and see what happens. We kind of just jumped straight into it, huh?
Hopefully this works.
You got power?
Yeah, I got power now.
Perfect. Oh, she cranks.
I'm not even gonna start yet. I want to scan it.
Okay.
See what's up.
All right, so we got VagCom, right? This is VagCom, isn't it?
VagCom, yeah.
Yeah. So looking at all the codes that it's already throwing, and it seems like there's a lot of funky ones, a lot of, yeah. Oh, Kim. Oh yeah.
So all these are timing stuff, which
It's a little scary.
it could be a little scary.
She does.
Good.
We're good. Or
Jump back.
wait, hold on. Let me just make sure it's like. Let's go. Nothing.
It's the computer's killing it.
What do you think, Tuck?
All right, so that didn't go as planned. Doesn't want to start. I figured we'd start off with some electrical issues. It was sitting for a long time. So ECU isn't really getting enough power, so I'm gonna try and put a better ground on it, clean up the terminals, and I'll show you guys a little bit why and go from there. But typical Volkswagen stuff.
BS.
I haven't really said much about the car at all because we've just kind of been like rushing today, but it's a 2010 Volkswagen GTI Mark 6 2.0 turbo. It is an automatic. I bought it with a bad transmission. It gets stuck in gear, and I got it for a extremely low price.
Very low price.
So I have a lot of wiggle room in terms of getting this thing to run right and still being very little into it, so I'm not worried about it. But this is the car I would love to daily. It's a really nice car. I know a lot of you guys probably don't like Volkswagens, and yeah, the IS might have like a cooler factor to it, but in all terms of being realistic, the GTI would make a way better daily, and I really, really like the car. So we got a lot to do. We got to get this thing to start. We got to get it to and then figure out what the hell's wrong with the tranny. If we have to put a new tranny in, they're pretty cheap, so I'm not worried about it. So yeah, let's get back to the shop, try and get this thing started, maybe wash it off and get out the rain. Well, at least she's pretty. Look at the gut. It's not a bad car, just needs to run. All right, Drew, send it. Just keep the wheels straight.
Tucker, look out.
Oh, I got it. There you go. It's working. There you go. Send it home. You're perfect.
I know.
Let that bitch roll. So I decided to take just look around a few. I noticed that the gear selector wasn't plugged in, and that's why I want to start. I don't have a scanner with me, so my buddy Alex from 32 Motorsports is actually gonna come down and check it out for me real quick, which is really awesome. So thank you again. Thank you, Alex, if you're watching this. This is sick, like really gonna save the day. So hopefully now that it is cranking, it'll give us an idea of what the hell's going on. Maybe it's just a cam angle sensor or something like that. It tends to go. All right, so Alex is back. He's got a computer, and we're gonna see if any more codes pop up, or if we are able to single out any more codes. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Guys, well, it's come to this instantly. We think it skipped timing, so let's just confirm it, because we know what happened. Yep. Yep. Nothing. Nothing. There you go. So, seems like it's a pretty common thing with these motors, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what's the cause?
The chain tensioner goes bad
And
on it,
no one
and then it
replaces
skips timing, and then that's the end of it.
And there you go.
Yeah.
So looks like we got to pull the head and get new valves, redo all that, and then do the transmission, and it should run. But screw it. All right, so it's a big high and a low for one day. We got the car, we got it for a really good deal, but the engine is popped. Now it skipped timing, which means that the valves hit the pistons, which means I need to get new valves. I have to redo the head, do the timing, do all that stuff, but it's not impossible. So the engine is savable. We just gotta pull the head, take it to the machine shop, get new valves. I talked to Alex, and he said it usually costs around like $800 all said and done, with like, you know, the hookup price on all the dealer parts and stuff. So it's not bad at all, given that I have very little into it. And Alex is convinced that the tranny is fine, that we got to do a fluid flush and it should be good. So I guess like the money I thought I was gonna have to spend on the transmission, I now have to spend the engine. I don't think the previous owner was trying to skunk me or anything. I just don't think they they even knew. Alex was telling me the best way to do the head is to pull the whole engine. He said it's really easy to drop the engine out of the car through the bottom, which means when we get my lift on Friday, because we are getting a lift, we talked about this in the last video. Oh, there's a cat. Hey, what's up, kitty? Come here. Come here, kitty, kitty. Come here. No, don't run, man. All right, well, this means when we get the lift in, we could, first thing to do is take this engine out, and we're gonna get it done. So, it's kind of an L for the day, but in the end, we're still gonna come up. I'm gonna have probably a quarter of what this car is worth into it when we're done and said, so you can't beat it. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? So you cleaning it out for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. I know it smells and it's dirty. Thank you, Bubs. You can keep all the change. I'll be your tip.
Wow, thank you. Smart idea. You should have already been upgraded.
What you getting in there?
Gotta smell nice.
What's up, buddy? It's about time.
How you doing?
What do you think? First impressions.
First impressions. Seems pretty straight.
So, do you know the bad news already?
Yeah, I want the bad news right away.
Skip 2 teeth.
Sweet. So, she shot.
Yeah. But Alex thinks I should just pull the head and get it done, and it'll be easy, it'll be cheap. Won't be easy, but it'll be cheap and doable.
I don't think we have all the tools necessary, but we might.
Do we have friends that have them?
I might have some of them.
So B-Haul, you feeling confident?
Yeah, man, it's fun.
It's gonna see, this is why I like having B-Haul around. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna learn. We're gonna learn.
We're gonna learn. You guys are gonna learn. There's no reason to be worried. It's all nuts and bolts, right?
And there's a lot of forums.
There is a lot of forums, although forum life is dead.
It is dead. It's
sad.
so unfortunate.
It's sad. If you're as old as some people that use forums, it's sad.
I don't think I even showed you guys the interior. I've been going nuts. But Steph cleaned it, so it's actually nice to look at. But we got the plaid seats, so I mean that's pretty cool. Very Volkswagen. Got the nice sport steering wheel. Says GTI. I don't know what this Prindle means, but whatever. It's alright. It's a daily.
The red stitching is hot though.
I like the steering wheel a lot. Is this the paddle shifters?
Oh, I love this steering wheel. Yeah, these are the paddle shifters.
So this has a. You want to explain this transmission to people?
It's got a dual clutch. It's an automatic, but it's got dual clutches. So I guess the thing is that the transmission is always ready for the next gear. So it makes upshifts insanely fast, which is actually it's really fun, especially with a turbo car, because like as soon as you hit boost, the thing just starts to rev up, and then you're just like shifting. And yeah, you just pretend like you're Formula One every once in a while.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, it opened. How'd you do it?
I worked on one of these all day long today. Not all day long, actually.
I was hoping that it at least had fun and like funny in here, but I don't think they left anything. They cleaned it up pretty good. Hey, that goes down. That's pretty cool. Is anything back here? Any drugs or money or dead bodies? Hey, it's a mat for a mat. Wow.
Wow. Spare tire. Max 50? I bet you I could go faster. So yeah, cool stuff.
Whatever. So today was a day of mental up and downs. Really excited to get the car. Was really upset to find out that the engine's bad, not the transmission. It's a little bit more expensive and a little more time, but it's okay. It's still a great car. B-Haul loves it, and my mom loves it, so that's pretty cool. And I do love the car too. It's a good looking car. I mean, we're used to the Japanese boys over here, and you know, the Beamer. And I know a lot of you guys. I mean, if you're still watching, you're probably Volkswagen guys. So that's like cool. If you're not, sorry, it's a nice car. Operation daily is reset, and that's whatever. So off the Lexus, get rid of that, get the money, throw it in this thing, have a good daily and all that. So hope you guys liked today's video of us getting the car, and I hope you're looking forward to it, because we got a few more days worth of work on this badass thing. It's not badass, it's just that was really lame. I'm sorry. Just what? Okay, B-Haul, you want to end the video?
Like, comment, subscribe, and I see a lot of you guys saying that Jimmy needs more followers. If you're one of those people, you should be sharing it too. And have a great freaking night.